मैम यहाँ फोटो
Hi. First take is here. Yeah, Pavishi.
हटा दो।
हाँ निकाल दूँ। मैम ये
डन। वाइट बाद में करनी है? अभी करनी है?
You want to come? You want to join? Yeah, come. You also come. Give it with me.
Okay, Riya. So as you know, it's
Nidhi.
Sorry, Nidhi. So as you know, it's
Thank you. How are you?
okay, Nidhi. So as you know, it's a launch for the festival season. So what would you like to say? You are here for the launch. What would you like to say about that?
I think this is a perfect time to launch something like this because Christmas and New Year's is all about looking hot and looking nice and just kind of showing off. You work out the whole year, you work so hard the whole year, so this is the time to have fun. So yeah, I think Rebecca's collection is so nice. I mean, I really love what I'm wearing today. I'll wear this for New Year's also.
Thank you. How sweet. Thank you. So as she said that your collections are already very nice. So have you just prepared anything special for her since it's a festival season?
Yeah, so basically the launch of this collection, Nightingale, is basically for the party season. So we want people to December it, like they say. So it's all bling, it's fun, it's nightwear, party wear. So yeah, so keeping that in mind, we've even designed what Nidhi's wearing.
Okay, Nidhi, so you already know that festival season is here. So are you planning to buy something from here? Are you here for shopping or?
Yeah, for sure. I mean, I can already see a couple of things that I like. So I'm just going to go and pick it up.
Okay, any special plans for Christmas and New Year?
Go out, go home. I'm just going to go back home and spend time with my family. But we will go out for sure. So at that point of time, I'll wear all of this. But yeah, just go home, eat lots of food, relax, enjoy.
Any further future projects if you would like to share?
Yeah, I mean, one of my Telugu film is releasing in Jan. Then I'm going to start shooting for another one. And I have 2 Hindi projects next year, which I think we'll talk about soon.
Okay, one wish for your fans on Diwali and New Year.
On New Year and Christmas. So wishing everyone a very, very Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. And I hope this year was amazing and next year will be even better.
Thank you.
Thanks.
Like I said, for the party season, we've done a lot of dance,
These are the ones who wear for awards.
Yes, absolutely. Anytime you need anything,
For sure, for sure. These are also nice.
yeah, these are more fun, more colorful. Oh, I didn't know.
So it was Aman Kattani's engagement student. So this yeah, we just celebrated. She's very so much fun.
These are lehengas. These are lehengas as well. Yeah. That's a lehenga. Choli, that's a dupatta. It's DWH. So we have this also. It's like, what can I offer first? That's a pressure something. Hi, how are you? Good. Hi. But this is nice. Hi, how is it going? Good, yeah. Good. This is from Bollywood. Yeah, we can make it for you. This will go here. Forget the book. As the cake. With the card we change.
मैम यहाँ पे मैम फोटो
You want me to send some stuff there? We'll see the new stuff there. Thank you. See the clothes first. That looks lovely. Yeah, it's
I'm here. Thank you.
Okay.
Really nice. So she's just gifted me this actually. Thank you so much. Very nice meeting you.
Take some pictures inside. Come.
I'm fine.
Here. Nice. Look here, ma'am.
Take a bite, no?
बाइक कर दिया
Wine?
बाइक हो गया
बहुत ऊपर है.
बाय मैम मैम फोटो
Hi, ma'am.
मैम फोटो
Should I go here? Yeah.
Thank you.
One moment. Thank you.
What a beautiful outfit this is. I really like
साथ
it.
में लोगे फोटो
Exactly.
नहीं इनका. Thank you.
Okay, so hi Riya. So as you know, it's the new collection launch of Dewan for
I think it's a beautiful collection. In fact, before I got to wear this, I got to see the whole collection and I was very excited. I was like, okay, chalo, couple more events are sorted. I think it's comfortable, it's nice. It's also the festive season, so even though it's a simple outfit, it's got a little bling and I'm all for bling. And I think this is the time to dress up, and I think Rebecca's collection is just apt for it. So all you ladies out there, come have a look.
Okay, so is it the particular dress you designed for her, or there was a choice for her and she chose?
No, like she said, that we showed her the whole collection, but I think she chose the perfect dress because it's fun, it's very her, it's young, and it's got that element, the bling element as well.
We would like to know about your collection for this year, like something.
So this collection is called Nightingale. It's basically for the party season. So there's a lot of bling, there's a lot of fun, there's a lot of gowns, a lot of jackets, dresses, and it's called Nightingale because each garment sings. It's so pretty.
Okay, since it's a festival season, so are you here to shop something, or you're just here to visit?
100%. This is the season to spend money, doll up, look good, shine, wear sparkly outfits, and like she said, like a nightingale, sing.
Okay, Christmas and New Year is on its way. What are your special plans for this festival?
You know, I have no plan. But I'm hoping there will be a plan. I've been traveling a lot, so maybe I'll just spend time with my family and friends and, you know, eat some great food and get a bit fat.
Okay, we would like to know how was 2018 for you in one word?
Sparkly.
Okay, any New Year resolution?
I don't believe in New Year resolutions. Because I make them, then I break them. So I think that I'm not making one. I'll just overall try to be a better person and a better version of myself.
Any future plans or project you would like to share?
Lots, but I can't share.
Any idea? Fans are waiting. I mean, a hint little.
I'm also waiting. Y'all will know very soon.
Okay, one New Year wish for your fans.
Happy New Year to everyone. Merry Christmas to everyone. Have a safe New Year. Have a fun New Year. Spend time with your family and friends and sparkle like a nightingale.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Correct. And you must be also not feeling like dressing up after a point. You love dressing up. I also love dressing up. Oh, you have so much Indian also.
Yeah, a lot of Indian dress. So this is our whole Indian section.
Very nice. You know what? This store is new, no?
2 years.
2 years. And time is flying.
Time flying. You don't come here. I will jump soon.
I love the pinks. It's really nice the pants also.
Yeah. These are the legs.
So you design everything. And you've always put in design. Yeah? Lots of stuff, good, I'm excited. We like to find new clothes every life. It's really nice, yeah. This is damn cool.
Yeah.
And I like this green gold, this mix. And this has and it's a simple class. Everywhere else, if you have to go for it, you have to diet.
No, I don't think it's that.
I try not to. I mean, I try to, but I just never end up doing it, so I work out instead. But I work out like it. I know, I pass your store every time I pass your store.
Yeah, he does. He goes to Bombay, he goes to farmers, and he's like, every time I meet farmers.
That box is so sweet, but
yeah,
very nice. She's opening her own brand now.
Yeah, it's like starting it all.
It's so good, man. I keep telling my brother, like, he's they're going to have to say, there's so much excitement in them to, like, do new things and figure out life and let's try this and that. Like, I don't think that, like, my friends, nobody knew anything. They all figured out. I just stumbled into PG and I stumbled into acting. So on the second floor, I was like, I like acting now. You know, like, now I'm going serious at these guys are going, oh, like, I'm doing my master's from here, I'm doing this. My brother's like, no, man.
Brothers study together in Scottish.
Can I get some water?
Want some tea, coffee, some juice?
I don't want some black picture.
Especially in a Sindhi wedding.
And all my friends are Sindhis. All my friends are Sindhis. And two of my closest guy friends are getting married back to back. And they are like the hardest Sindhis in town. And their whole family is hardcore. And like I'm literally convincing them to do not match your outfit to your wife's outfit. Don't do it. They're like, no, my wife is going to decide and all. They're going to make some zebra crossing on it. And I'm just like, oh. It's scary. They go hard. They go too hard. Yeah.
Yeah, Hong Kong, no?
So that's good sales. That's great sales, right?
But that too, they're preparing.
Here. Hold. Hold.
Done.
Take some solos of photo.
Hold. One second. Hold.
I'm feeling American.
No, I'm not taking the other. Smile.
Done. Thank you.
You want to do a back?
Comfy there.
Not even that heavy.
Come take like as if I'm wearing it. Like don't take full burden this.
No, I'm not taking full close.
I'm such a poser. Become well.
It's okay, you
It's okay, I'll do this side anyway.
ठीक है.
Sure. I really like this, but when I entered only I saw this and I was like shotgun because I think it's a really slick, nice, classic black outfit that you can wear anywhere. And with the wedding season and the whole festive season, this would just go in. You could wear it to a wedding, you could wear it to the beach, you could just wear it to a red carpet, you could wear it wherever. And like we were discussing, it shows the best part of a woman's body. This upper part, there's no fat there.
Thank you.
You didn't want this model to get with it.
I want one.
I have to take this. This light and all that. But you can save, right? Okay, done? I'm gonna leave.
Wait, your black coffee is coming out.
2 minutes.
No, forget it now.
आ गया.
नीचे आ गई ना.
But
she'll send you the pictures. I'll send you pictures.
So my brother was like, where are your parents?